got it in there.
Oh, that has to go inside. Okay. Makes sense. Watch your boat be there, Johnson. You?
Jimmy's on the jack. Jimmy's on the It's gonna be. So you gotta be careful about bending these little. You see it?
You got a weave on there?
Got the nuts.
Oh, you only need one.
Nuts. Nuts.
That's it?
I don't know.
Don't worry about the nets.
Yeah, I guess that bond. And then the ground bond will hold the rails, so.
Thought when you clamp them in, all the metal should be all grounded together already, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it just, the bottom goes to the clip and then bond them up there.
What do you got down there?
We need ratchet?
Ratchet.
Yeah.
You remember we know the theory, you're going to get the reality of it. So when we're going to put it down, actually maybe we'll do the other one. Maybe we'll do that one. What I'm trying to do is reason out how we're going to do this. Is we're going to put one end down. So it's going to be this end on the rail, right?
Yeah.
And we want to connect this ground wire before we lay the module all the way down. Okay. So you're gonna have somebody pulling the module up as you're connecting the ground to.
That's the ground we have running over at the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Since we're running it in the middle here.
Up top? That's what the ground is up top.
It's almost
But you get like so many pullbacks, so many pull-ups. But I mean, the key is on the test, just get all 4 tires, or all 18 actually, in the lines, all 4 corners in there, and all of that. You're nowhere near anything, you're nowhere near like a moving dog.
Why don't you guys help each other out instead of struggling to put it in? That's funny.
What are you looking for?
I think there's like, I think there's at least 2 more people up there than there were on the first round.
Right.
And you guys are still slow.
It's harder on the top because you got the spacer. you got to watch out for the spacers in between those two.
Spacers and the ground.
Yeah, and the ground.
Yeah.
So it's a lot of work.
Yeah. Yeah, it might be. Typical union, 7 guys up there and 2 guys working.
Really, probably be a 3-man job. That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, three man at most. I mean, really, a lot of times it could be 2. You know, maybe 3, maybe a 3rd guy for the
Pass the
tougher
stuff.
stuff. But yeah, or pass stuff up. You know, so like 2 people doing the rails, and the other guy down in the station doing the electric or something.
So you're gonna have to loosen up that line.
Yeah, see, that made the difference, man. That's so much needed.
Good job, guys.
Sounds like you're getting ready to be the company owner there.
Yeah, absolutely.
The encouragement goes a long way, man.
Yeah.
All blessings with the great. Well, you gotta get it balanced out. It's great.
Yeah. All ball bust in a fun way, though. Yeah.
I'm all blessed like my dad was with me. It's not just doing it itself, right? The right.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's a right, and sometimes you don't know how to do it now. And then he'll just do it, and I'm like,
down there or no?
No, that one right there, they just use like this right now. This one.
Gotta go that way?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one.
This side is one. That's the weird part. I think that one's smaller. Yeah.
I told you, Mario, this
I
that's good.
wouldn't mess with it. Because I mean, it does look slightly off, but this side looks dead
Yeah, it looks
on.
good.
Where do you see this being on?
That one looks in more.
Nah, it looks good.
If you look at like this, you see this coming in over there?
Is it push down on it? I don't know. It looks in to me.
Good.
Yep. I got all the steps.
Find a lot of those already on
Yeah, but
Facebook everywhere.
that's true, but it's my class. Yeah.
You really put that online?
Yeah, I probably will be.
Give me your link.
All right.
Jack for wire thing, it's $3. It's called Table 310.
What do you mean wire size? So you can tell?
What conductor sizes you need, or rate or temperature and conduit flow. I have it on my touch.
Yeah. $2. I got a original. Remember when they still had analog, and then during that conversion, they sent me out to DC 700s. I was before that, so I got 3.
Yeah, that's something you want to have. I got that little digital box.
Thing in there. It should go right through.
Just gotta make it tighter.
Here's some muscles.
Yeah, at the end, it kind of looks like one of those vents. Really wouldn't look bad though.
So we're gonna, this is only got the half-inch knocked out. You wanna knock out the 3/4. So you wanna knock that out?
All right.
3/4, you know which one it is?
3/4 middle.
Knock out all three just to make sure.
Get this guy.
Yeah. Ah, come on. Do it. Let's do it. Here, you need a mallet? Yeah. Oh, come on. Look at that. Well, got you the mallet and everything.
Here, you want me to hold the mallet?
Yeah, no, I'm good. You like that hole? You like the size of that? James, you like the size of that hole? You comfortable with that?
I wasn't even feeling it.
So when you do these home runs, and you do it before you actually lay down the modules, you want to kind of keep, remember that bare copper that we have going down here? You want to kind of tie them all together so it kind of just stays nice, nice wire management. And with this, all right. So with this, you don't. Just somewhere close. So with this, you want to kind of put it really close to your module. So you can still service and work on it. Right? Way out in space. And yet, you don't want to sit, you can set it underneath here if you wanted to. go underneath. We're going to come out through this hole right here. That's going to be long enough. Yeah, that one's going to be long enough, I think. Which one that has the wire in it? Somebody can go underneath.
Jane.
Since you monitor somebody, you can go there.
Sorry.
Look at him.
Pull the whole wire. We need wood screws
Drill. Bit.
and
Put
a
on to a
drill.
drill bit.
We need the-
Drill bit.
Oh, okay.
Nope.
What are you doing?
So you can do that. Once you get it loose, you can slap it around that side. I got the bed over here.
We got the bit already. No.
I got the screws.
Oh, you got the screws, not the bit.
We not gonna fasten it down?
No,
When you do it, would it be guy attic?
no, you lift screws, wood screws in there. Yeah, you put a bunch of. You can with pass-through boxes. We're just calling this a pass-through box up here. It's a transition from our solar wire to the THWN2. So you can either wire net or use terminal strips. For our purposes today, we'll use wire nets because it's just a temporary thing. It's not going to last 30 years. I prefer, like you know that, I prefer terminal strips. So when we do this, we have wired all our home runs, and we like to tuck them neatly underneath the modules, and this is close to the modules so that none of these things will be seen by the customers. Okay? So we have two wires that are labeled white. What does white mean? It means it's a grounded conductor. In this case, it is.
European ones have an edge.
Yeah, it matters. Yeah, we need one that has an end up there. Let's get one.
Disconnect that one.
What are you looking for? We need an MC with a positive and